How to prepare your car for summer. Lights. Inspect all lights and bulbs, replace burned out bulbs, periodically clean dirt and insects from all lenses. To prevent scratching, never use a dry rag. Tires. Have your tires rotated about every 5,000 miles. Check tire pressures once a month, check them while they're cold before driving for any distance. Don't forget to check your spare as well and be sure the jack is in good condition. Examine tires for tread life, uneven wearing, and cupping, check the side walls for cuts and nicks. An alignment is warranted if there's uneven tread wear or if your vehicle pulls to one side. Brakes. Brakes should be inspected as recommended in your manual, or sooner if you notice pulsations, grabbing, noises, or longer stopping distance. Minor brake problems should be corrected promptly. Battery. Batteries can fail any time of year. The only accurate way to detect a weak battery is with professional equipment. Routine care: scrape away corrosion from posts and cable connections, clean all surfaces, retighten all connections. If battery caps are removable, check the fluid level monthly. Avoid contact with corrosive deposits and battery acid. Wear eye protection and rubber gloves. Emergencies. Carry some basic tools, ask a technician for suggestions. Also include a first aid kit, flares, and a flashlight.